Hey guys, welcome to my channel. This is Aastha here. So today in this video we are going to make bulb on and off button app. So in this app simply we are having two images and let me show you how I have done it. So you have to click on the designing option, then you will have a screen, and in that screen you will put the ID as screen 1. Background color is blue, and now we are having one image here, that is image 4. And then the width is 305, height is equal to 315, x position 5, y position 20, and we are having an image. I have uploaded this image from the browser. Now you will have the fit image, that is contain. We can also do it fill. Okay, and that's it. Then we have taken a button. One is for on and one is for off. So what you will do for the on, you will do the properties for the on button, then you will make it copy and paste, and only the thing you have to change is that you have to only change the text and button ID. That's it. So in the button one, I mean on button, the button one is equal to ID is equal to button one, text is equal to on, width is equal to 100, and height is equal to 40, x position 25, y position 375, and then we are having a text color. Then here's the background color, font family, and that's it. And the border radius is 20 pixel. So you will make it copy, and in the off button, ID is equal to button 2 and text is equal to off. And whatever the things you have done in on button, the same you will do in the off button. So now let's moving on to the coding. So in the code, we are having on event button 1 click. I mean this on button, when you click on the on button, what is going to happen? So let's see. So I'm going to run it, and when I've clicked on the run button, you can see the light is on. The bulb is on. Now the bulb is off. So when we are clicking on the on button, it is on. When we are clicking on the off button, it is off. So now, so what I have coded it that when this button one, I mean this on button is going to click, we will having this set image URL to image 4, and then here's the image URL. Okay, as like the scene when as like the same we have to do in the on event button to click set image URL to image 4, and we are having the off button image. So that's all for today's video, guys. Hope you guys have enjoyed the video. If yes, then give it a big thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed my channel, do subscribe my channel and click on the bell notification that whenever I will upload any new video, you will be get notified. Thank you guys. Bye bye.